Hello friends, in the past videos, we have solved the problems to find the missing term in the series. Now, let's take a look at a scenario where you are given a series and we need to find the wrong term within the series. So let's take a look at this example. We have the numbers 380, 188, 92, 48, 20, 8 and 2. First, let's try to solve this by using the difference method. So 380 and 188, the difference is 192. 188 to 92, the difference is 96. 92 and 48, the difference is 44. 48 to 20, the difference is 28. 20 to 8, the difference is 12. And then 82, it's 6. So technically, if we look at this pattern, it looks like it's all getting divided into 2. So 192 divided by 2 is 96. Technically, 96 divided by 2 should have been 48, and we have 44 as the number. 48 divided by 2 should have been 24. And then 24 by 2 is 12 and 6. So using this pattern, now if we look at it, the numbers, if we had to replace, the number 48 should have been replaced with 44 in the series. Let's try that. So 380, first we have 380. 380 minus 192 gives 188. 188 minus 96 gives us 92. 92 minus 48 gives us 44. 44 minus 24 gives us 20. 24 minus 12 gives us 8. 8 minus 6 gives us 2. So the incorrect term is 48. 48 should have been replaced with 44. Try to solve these kind of problems. I will provide more of such sequences in the next coming videos. Feel free to subscribe to our videos for further updates. Thank you.